down the house, I was good, I was sliding. A nigga be dead, they be trying me. Got a beautiful chicks in beside me. I came from the creek, it was violent. Police in the tree trying to find me. You took me on trucks and I climbed. I was ducking them nuts, I was grinding. Now I jump off the stage like I'm flying. I go hard and hard over time. I'm just feeling the board, I can't hide it. I'm just taking the poison, I know it. I got way too much money to show it. I got the cash in my pocket right now, and split it up, ain't got no wallet. I order A's, cause when I pull up, I drink out the bottle. Cash on delivery, keeping a hold on me if it's a problem. Bitch, don't spit on me. If you gonna hit on me, you gotta swallow. Bitch, if I hit on you, you gotta worship me like on your father. My bitch, every time we go shopping, I spend over 40. Big toes, sipping and whipping the gold, you know how I'm vibing. Then slow, high in the back when I pull up the Maybach, be gliding. You see how I came with that dusty, I pulled up on low, my diamonds went cloudy. It's big as the lean when I roll up. It's deep to a machine when I roll up. Pineapple pink when I roll up. Just try not to faint when I roll up. Step in the paint like a poster. Hop on the train and I growed up. I was catching the water and growed up. When I pull out the garage, it goes up. I pull out a photo, it's so fun. The Lambo topic will pull up. Stop all the faking and posers. I'm the only one snaking that raw dust. Your homie playing with that raw touch. We spend our own money, it's all us. I got the cash in my pocket right now. Shoot up, ain't got no wallet. I order A's, cause when I put one, but I got the bottles. Cash on delivery, keeping a hold on me if it's a problem. Bitch, don't spit on me. Don't you on me, you gotta swallow. I got the cash in my pocket right now. Shoot up, ain't got no wallet. I order A's, cause when I put one, I drink out the bottle. Cash on delivery, keeping a hold on me if it's a problem. Bitch, don't spit on me. If you gonna hit on me, you gotta swallow. I was stuck in the rock, I was crying. Now I jump off the stage like I'm flying. I go hard and hard. I'm just feeling the board, I can't hide it. I'm just taking the poison, I know it. I got way too much money to show it. Yeah. So, bitch, your hands, nigga, never stop, non-stop. I got this bitch on the side. I just been holding it down. I got a few of the bar. I smoke that gas by the pound. I got the bitch on the side. I just been holding it down. I bought that bitch in the road. I just been holding it down. I got the things in my mind. I gotta keep on count. I got a chain on my neck. My shit just look like a fountain. I gotta get to the street. I'ma crank good up right now. I'm so in tune with the street. I'm turning it up right now. I'm fucking it up right now. I'm throwing it up right now. I'm running it up right now. I can't get enough right now. I'm killing your buzz right now. Still ain't enough right now. I'm going to blood right now. I'll ride the club right now. You look like a fizz right now. I'm getting to the bread right now. I beat the odds right now. I feel like God right now. Get paid for a large amount. I was brought up for Valley, yeah. I done brought up another house. I'm about to pour up another house. I got a few on the side. I just been holding it down. I got a few of the bar. I smoke that gas by the pound. I got a few on the side. I just been holding it down. I bought that bitch with the roller. I just been holding it down. I got the things in my mind. I gotta keep on count. I got a chains on my neck. My shit just look like a fountain. I gotta get to the street. I'ma crank good up right now. I'm so in tune with the streets. I'm turning it up right now. Do you believe in me? Like I believe in you. I know you seeing me. I stay on my P's and Q's. The North is gonna be full. I'ma turn out the whole door. Too much virgin, too much virgin, too much virgin. Too much virgin, too much virgin, too much virgin. Too much virgin, too much virgin, too much virgin. You see me serving, I ain't worried, be encouraged. I got this bitch on the side. I just been holding it down. I got a few of the bar. I smoke that gas by the pound. I got this bitch on the side. I just been holding it down. I bought that bitch in the roller. I just been holding it down. I got the things in my mind. I gotta keep on counting. I got a chain on my neck. My shit just look like a fountain. I gotta keep it street. I'm gonna play good up right now. I'm so in tune with the streets. I'm turning it up right now. I'm fucking it up right now. I'm throwing it up right now. I'm running it up right now. I can't get enough right now. I'm killing your buzz right now. It still ain't enough right now. I'm going above right now. I'll buy this club right now. That's straight. Got you locked, girl. And
Okay, so for the chart, let's see, man. We got the uptrend that happened here. New high, boom, started counter trending, maintain lows, boom, broke out that type of support. Boom, then we dropped to a deeper retrace. Right, we hit a key level far as the daily or weekly far as support around that 34,300 area. So we got a triple bottom that happened 1, 2, 3. So I end up entering around the triple bottom. From there we wait for real. First TP, of course, it's gonna be 38.2, right? Until we can get that momentum back into the buyer's range. And then from there, we'll look to 61.8 and then look to get back into the bottom of our exhaustion zones where that price got stuck and consolidated for a while. So we can get those buyers to push off of this point B of this trend line, just a little point B, not meaning like you can really take advantage of it or anything like that. But more just like a point B for you to help gauge you with momentum and price. Right. So doing that and seeing that after I entered, right, we had minor push here, but then we had that slight retrace, and then market just opened at 8 and 9. So now we're looking for momentum to start pushing a little bit more and actually get back more into that main bias, seeing that we hit like a weekly support. So that's pretty much, and the fact that we got so much confluence down here as far as like the triple bottom, and then it came back to actually retest this time, and this is actually a higher low point on the lower time frame. So if we can get back to up to these highs and start breaking these highs, and then get to that 38.2, see if we can get some type of rejection or maybe even a continuation of higher lows, then we can look to hold deeper into the PRZ levels. But it's all case by case bias. It's all scenarios and everything like that. So we just want to make sure that we stay locked in, stay focused up, stay chart ready, stay present. So that way, any opportunities that happen, we can either make adjustments or we can, maintain. So, but we're looking for, right now we're on the 2-hour time frame, and we're just really looking for that bias to really build and keep building up. You know what I mean? So, I got somebody that just joined. So let's see what he's talking about.
Yo, my boy, my fault, bro.
What's good, bro? What's good?
Man, you know what's up, man. I'm just looking at these charts, not making no money, man. But I'ma just use today as practice to get my psychology right. I'm not even about to trade no more today. All right.
Yeah. Why you ain't just demo while you was waiting on the bread to hit?
Shit, I wasn't expecting the bread to take that long. I really should have bought a
It's a brand new broker, everything like that, all that. So
Yeah, I don't know. If I would have put like 300 though, I know I would have got it in 5
No,
minutes.
I definitely would have got it. That shit would have got it.
Like I didn't seen this. Like ask my girl how many times, bro. Ask my girl how many times she didn't see me waiting on deposits, calling moves. She don't even know what's going on, but she just know I said it 4 hours ago. You feel me? And like this shit is just annoying. But like I said, it's just practice. It happened for a reason. I'm gonna just use it to get out all the bad impatience and psychology that, you know what I'm saying, rookies got, you know? So
Yeah, because that's what it
very
was.
upsetting, bro.
When you was
Very
texting me,
upsetting.
bro, that's what it was sounding like. I'm not gonna lie. I'm like, bro, this nigga sound like a rookie right now.
Yeah, I know, I know, I
I
know.
say, bro, you way too polished to be something like
Yeah,
that. I
I
was
know, I
laughing.
know.
I was just like, bro, like you way too polished to be
What
got
are you doing,
something.
bro?
Sound like you missing out on some shit or something. I'm like, bro, this this shit set up every fucking
Every week.
hours,
So
nigga.
it's just also like, yeah, I'm not stunning it. You know what I'm saying? The market got hella shit for us, and we good, so we gonna see it all. So I'm not really stunting it.
Yeah, man. So
Just on this box trying to work. That's all it is. I'm trying to work. That's it.
I know how that is too, man. So you're trading gold. Sheesh. Oh yeah, you got a reason to be mad. Yeah,
That's
you
what I'm
got a
saying,
reason.
bro. That's 200 right there, pips. I was only looking for 67,
Damn, that shit broke the fuck out. Damn.
bro.
290 pips right there.
That's bro. Yeah, but it's like I said,
Three
it's
bands. That's easy. 3 bands.
nigga. What? That's $2 lot times two, maybe three, knowing me, or maybe I'll put a 3 lot after I'm up. So that's 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 3, 4 minimum. You feel
So let me
me?
show you just how I would have broken this shit down because I
All
don't
right.
chart this shit up, but I was charting it up at the token trade event,
Oh,
and
all right.
that shit was dope, bro. Like that
Yeah,
shit.
you gotta give me a
Like,
little summary about that shit too.
man, yo, they asking for another one already. Like they want
That's
me
how
to
you do it. That's how you
Atlanta, bro.
do it.
And I'm just
Hey,
like, bro,
yeah,
we
turn
have
that shit into like, yeah, you could do that shit once a quarter, you know what I'm saying?
yeah, like like once a quarter, you know what I mean, something like that, just to give people. And the biggest thing that I like from it though is that it gave a lot of high quality traders the chance to be around each other and have high level conversations.
Yeah, niggas don't have that. Yeah.
No, they be to themselves and stuff, or through Instagram, but it's different in person when you with
Really?
somebody else that's sniping and just made 20
Yeah.
this week, and you know what I mean, like and that type of energy you get around that energy, you get different, you
I'm
know.
not gonna lie, bro. Now that you said that, I've realized that I probably never really done that, bro. You know,
Bro, that was the
like
biggest.
maybe like one person at most, but like I never really been in a room.
Nah, bro, you got to be with like 10, 15, Nick, bro. It's a total different experience, bro. Because
Yeah,
every situation, everything, like that other person's been through half of that shit or more than that shit. So it's like the conversations be super in depth, super high level.
yeah,
But yeah, with this pair, so first things first, like I was breaking down with them is that we had this double bottom that happened. So we broke all of this stuff down at the event, and just showed them pretty much like how we could have went about certain situations to find better entries. And then from there, we just pretty much been making a series of lower highs, right? So it's been maintaining, this downtrend structure. And then we got really steep up in here. So the momentum picked up very fast, right? So
yeah.
from there, right, zooming back out on our 4-hour main time frame, we actually did make a lower low just to check the daily, right? So on the daily, pretty much we're still tested, right? We're still kind of tested because the only reason is that this candle right here went bear. So if I draw, I'm gonna show you why it's tested, right? So if I draw a random line, right there, right, it made a bearish candle, right? Then a doji, we cancel that out. Another doji, cancel that out, and then it went bullish, right?
Bullish,
Bullish,
bullish.
bullish. So this area is still being held.
Still maintained, yeah.
Guy,
Bears,
and
bullish,
if you look
bullish.
to the left, all right,
Yeah, and that won't even show on the weekly too. If you go on the weekly, it'll just be like a little. That won't be shit.
right, exactly. So it's like
Yeah.
that's all the information that you need. So going back down to the 4-hour now, right? Once we got down down in this range, if you had that random line already drawn and you understood what was happening on the higher time frame, right? You could kind of see like a little shoulder here. You got the double bottom that happened here. So it's kind of like an inverted head and shoulder.
Shoulders, yeah.
There you go. So you start putting that together, right? So then you got the kind of break that happened here. You got the major retest that just happened here, right? So even
that red line right there is like your break of structure line.
Exactly, right? And we'll go look at that on lower time frames as well. But just to show you, right, that break that happened here gave us that point A, and then that point B came back and then tested along our 61.8, which is our golden zone. You know what I'm saying? So even being able to break this down, right? So now that we have all of that, right, we know what level it's at on the higher time frame. Let's go down to the 30-minute. So from the 30-minute, now you can see everything a lot clearer, right? Maybe even 15. 15, yeah, 15, you can see everything a lot clearer. Right. So you have your bottoms that was respected all the way down here, right? So you always draw your random line based on this time frame, right? And I like to get a different color just so I don't lose track of what was what. You know what I mean? So if I'm on the 30-minute, I'll use like purple or something like that, right? So boom, that happened and made me, this is my major low on the higher time frame on the 4 hour. So from there, I'm just trying to track the resistance points that is going to be broken, right? So the resistance point that made sense that was broken on this time frame, right, is right here, right? Because we have to break 1, 2, 3, right? And then we have a higher point that was made by this bullish candle and bearish candle that gave us a test of resistance. So that's a new high, right? So from there, that allows us the chance to actually put our fib level down, right, from the push, right?
Yeah, bullish to bullish.
Come on, man. Bullish to bullish, boom, right? We got 100% respected, and you already know when it comes to structure, that's the furthest that the market can come back is 100% and still maintain trend. So if you didn't know structure or didn't know that rule, you would think that this shit was broken and that we about to go for a downtrend. But because bearish, bullish, once again, that's just a test of support. So structure,
morning star reversal pattern right there too.
Exactly. You know what I mean? This whole pattern right here is a variation, right? So if you're able to understand that, you would have had a beast entry. But even I feel like up here is kind of late. Like for our skill level, I feel like if you were able to piece together the shit that's happening over here to, like I said, always to the left.
Yeah.
You able to piece together this little information right here for us. Those are the entries I look for.
That's what I look for. That's why I be mad. Cause I be like, that's what I look for. But I don't gotta be mad with it. That's where I don't gotta be mad.
Right. And that there's nothing wrong with taking, you know, this entry here. There's nothing wrong with that. Or even if you want a continuation and wanted to wait until, you know, momentum got in your favor, taking like a sexy candle like this.
We passed that, bro.
You know what I mean? So it's like now we're really looking for placement entries. Like we're not continuing with the trend and trying to, like, we're trying to catch it at the start and then, you know what I mean, maximize our trade. So that's pretty much what we're doing. So even for
let me ask you this. You would have held this if you were in this, you would have held this?
What? Because this is only a 23.6. This shit right here, this is a 23.6. So are you expecting this consolidation continuation? And the move isn't based off the 15 minutes. So we would have to go back out to like our 4 hours.
You see that resistance right there at your previous break of structure, the red line? Go back to the
right.
That wouldn't have had you. I don't know what's about to happen.
Because we're still making higher lows. That's when you rely on structure. It's not that we don't know what's gonna happen. We're anticipating what could happen. So the fact that it came up here by resistance, okay, we want to see if a higher low point is going to be broken. That lets us know it's going to transition back into the downtrend.
Okay.
No higher low point was broken. Boom. Boom, higher low, boom, higher low, and then we started making little higher lows here. So even up in here, it's like good continuation areas for your move because we already had the basis of the foundation for support here. 1, 2, triple bottom, right? Then we got that bullish engulfing that gave us the momentum here, right? And then even though we have resistance areas up here that we're looking at that could scare a lot of, you know what I mean, beginners out. It's the fact that we're still having higher low points that's letting you know that buyers are getting stronger right up in that area. And that's where you got to be able to break shit all the way down, like 1 minute time frame and shit, and really see.
Yeah. I don't know if you I really like the 3 minute time frame. That should be
like that's a double bottom pattern.
Yeah.
Big W, 1, 2, and then that shit took off. You know what I'm saying? So that's really all it comes down to, you know.
It's that, huh?
Yeah, it's really that simple, Brody. Like it's really that simple. Like, and then from there, right, we're back on our main analyzing time frame, right, just to check shit out. And the other reason why you wouldn't have got scared out of that order is because up in here, right, on the 4 hour time frame, you're still seeing 4 hour candles, right? You're still seeing bullish 4 hour candles. Like, granted, these dojis right here, I would have canceled them shits out or just looked at them at a lower time frame. But I know for a fact where we're coming from. You know what I'm saying? We're coming from this area.
Yeah.
So, and I
That's
know,
not a regular
and I
area.
know, look, and I know it's a 4 hour move. So I have to be cool with letting that momentum build up. You know what I'm saying?
Damn. So
It
look,
builds up.
ask
When
me a
it builds
question.
up, that's when you
Why does
get
it tell you that's a 4 hour move? Where do you see? Where do you be like, okay,
because the
this?
move was off the 4 hour, bro. We was down. We was
Yeah.
down here off support. Remember all this support, and then we saw this being maintained. So that's why we went down to our 30-minute to try to find the transition of a break of structure, a break of resistance. Remember, so that's where you can't forget where you're coming from the higher time frame.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Because that higher time, you'll get down there on it like we just did. You'll get down there on them lower time frames and then fucking forget that the higher time frame has to build up. So you'll see shit like this, and that shit can scare you. You know what I'm saying? When whole time, soon as structure break, boom, okay, close my order, take profit. That's still what? Look, that's three entry opportunities. So off 3 entry opportunities, if I closed here, 153 points off that order. That's 115 points off that order, and then 50 points off that order, 47 points off that order. So that's over 300 points. That's still what you wanted.
Yeah.
And then you close because structure broke. It gave you that 1-2 bearish candle that let you know that it's about to transition and head down. It broke support. So then from there, you close your order. Boom. Wait for it to come make a higher low point off your higher time frame, which it did, which we were measuring, right? And it came to 61.8. And once it do that again, you still got all this information from the left. So you should be still holding the same bias, still ready to motherfucking sniper. Especially when they start doing this and they make that long ass wick. Okay, it made that wick. All right, boom. Let me highlight that. Let me highlight this wick right here. Boom. And then from there, boom, I'm going down to probably like the 1 minute because I need more information. So now in the 1 minute, I see that it's a firm level of support here. So what I want to do is draw my safety zone. Think about football. I'll draw my safety zone there. Right? Boom. That's safety. So if anything happens, I'm fucked from there. That's safety. And then from there, I'm looking for a higher low point, right? Which it gave me right here, right? And it also broke a minor level of resistance right over here, right? Because we got that 1-2 that gave us the new high, right? So even with this scenario, what can I do? Pull my fib out. Point A. You ain't gotta make this shit hard. Point A, point B, boom, 61.8. Fucking golden zone again, right? You got all of this right here.
Confluence.
It's fucking confluence, bro. Like all of this is confluence, and all of this adds up to a bullish variation, right? Even probably if we went to the 5 minute, probably look better. Yeah, 5 minute looks way better. That's like almost like a tweezer bottom. Boom, you in that bitch, stop loss, right, 100 points, and you take that shit back up to the top of your exhaustion zone. You know what I'm saying? That's first TP, and then if it holds like it's doing here, boom, draw a line.
Safety zone.
Safety zone, nigga. And boom, you find another entry up along here or up along here, and you take that shit up. Same TP. You see what I'm saying? Like that's how you trade and keep analyzing, keep finding out like where can I be better? Where can I analyze? What are my main points that I need to be looking at? You know what I'm saying? Because you have the plan, bro. You have the plan and you have the technicals. So it's just about at this point now, just being present and waiting for everything to play out your way. You know what I'm saying? And how it needs to play out for you. No, dead ass.
Yeah, this shit
that's where you're gonna see the success that you want. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Put it like that. That's really where you're gonna see the success that you want when you're able to really break that shit down like that, no matter how steep it is. You know what I mean? And that was the buy, you know what I mean? Because I went over how they could have caught these sales as well, based on continuation patterns. But yeah, that shit would have been cake.
Cakewalk, easy 5 bands.
Easy, bro. Easy. You would have been straight.
And that's what I'm saying, bro. I really gotta get on this shit, bro, because I didn't really just
So
done a lot to get 4 bands. You know what I'm saying?
I know. So what you need to do, what you need to do now is when you start off building cushion. Don't start off trying to make money. Start off just adding to the balance and building your cushion up.
So yeah, you
Lot size, use a lot size that you ain't really got to look at your phone like that or whatever, and just fucking practice. Like my first 5 trades, I'm building cushion. Like that needs to be your focus. These first 5 trades need to be low lot size, good quality trades, so that way I can build my cushion. After that, boom, now I got some cushion to play with on top of my initial investment. You know what I mean? That I don't have to touch now. And then off of that 500 or that extra 1,000 I just made, now I can use a lot size I'm comfortable with. You know what I'm saying? And now I don't even have to stay in trades. Now we can get into your bag. Now we ain't gotta stay in trades long. You see what I'm saying? Because now you just took those 5 trades. It took you, you know what I mean? Probably some swing moves to push the account or whatever. But now that you're using a good lot size like that standard or whatever the case is, you can see that $500 in 50 pips. You can see that $1,000 in 100 pips. So it's like, and that 100 pips can happen in 5 minutes, 10 minutes. So it's like, you don't have to be in the market all day no more. And that's going to be the fucking relief. But you can't have the subliminal perception of when I'm making more and everything is coming to me, I need to be in the market more and longer and like have more interaction, more exposure to my account. Like, no, that's the case. Dial it the fuck back and just be like, yo, I'm making good money, whether it's in 30 minutes or whether it's in 4 hours, it's still a good fucking day.
Yeah, somebody's paycheck.
It's still a good fucking day. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, it's a good day. Yeah.
Yeah, bro. But that's what I got for us go. But I definitely feel like you should stick with goals. Keep
yeah, it matches my personality, man.
I would say, yeah, for sure. I would say even take like a week. Take one of these last recent weeks.
Yeah, back test that bitch.
Back test like even this area right here, bro. I would back test like this whole area right here. I would back test some of this area up in here. Like word, I would even get active. Hold on, bro.
You good?
Yo. You outside? All right, man. I'm about to come out. All right. Yeah. So that's what I want from you, bro. I want you to back test this area off the weekly. So you should have about in this shit, you should have about 3-4 setups.
Yeah.
Even in here. 1, 2, 3, you know what I'm saying? 3-4 setups. Even in here, I want to see how you act in consolidation. So I got you on a downtrend, I got you on an uptrend, and then I got you in some consolidation. So that should bring your ass back by what's today? Wednesday.
I'm probably done for the week. If ain't that, I'll probably try to make like a little $5.
Yeah, but I'm saying let's tap back in Friday so that way I can go over these setups with you. And that way coming into next week with the momentum, we ready to go. You know what I mean? Because now you done back tested, you know what I'm saying? Everything. So you're gonna be good, bro.
All right, we do that.
So I want, and these are transitional setups. So I want you to practice on tracking this uptrend. Boom. How can I get into this? The first opportunity of this sale? How can I scale into this sale? How can I maintain throughout this? How can I figure out when to transition, cut my sales, and then get into buys? Okay, how can I structure my buys, maintain my buys? Okay, how can I, okay, now I'm in consolidation. Where do I need to cut my order and where do I need to be making sure I'm analyzing? Is it going to be the main resistance or main support? You know what I mean? So that's where I want you.
All right, I'm going to do that, bro.
Bet. And then we'll lock in Friday, all right?
I appreciate you. Be safe, bro.
Ready, you too, family.